to receive a castle on a cloud.
I remember when my mom used to tell me stories of how the weather worked. She would tell me that there used to be a big kingdom up in the clouds that ruled over all of the weather.
And in this castle there was the queen of all the weather. She decided whether it rained, snowed, or if there was no precipitation at all.
She always used to tell me about this when we were sitting in her room. It was always so cloudy and it was nice. Everything was just soft
and I always thought about the story she would tell about the queen and her daughter who wanted to take over.
Now my little princess. One day we'll be residing over this dear kingdom.
The whole kingdom?
The whole kingdom in charge of all the precipitation. Those little earthlings won't know what's coming when you get up here, darling.
This is the coolest job ever, Mom!
The princess was so excited about the job that had been laid before her. She wanted to go watch her mom work, so the next day when her mom went to go control the weather, she snuck in and followed her.
Okay, darling, I'm going off now. You stay here. And remember, stay put.
Will do, Mom!
I'm so amazed.
Of course the queen was oblivious. She had to control the weather. So of course she didn't realize when her daughter snuck in and started playing with all the levers, with the rain and the wind.
And what's it doing there in Antarctica? And every queen, what are you doing?
And that was when she let all of the rain out of all of the clouds.
Oh, goodness me! I've never seen so much water before! Polly?
The queen was absolutely outraged that her daughter had taken this upon herself. Her daughter was going to be in trouble if she didn't fix this, and fast.
She needed to see that her daughter could work responsibly if she was going to have this job. She couldn't leave this job to someone who was just going to mess around.
Not to mention that their whole kingdom clouds would disappear if all the rain was gone.
You're so cool! I want to see your job. Maybe...
1 minute. Polly? You'll be here next week. Coronation is only mere months away.
I know, but it's such a stressful job.
The queen knew that her daughter was bound to make mistakes, but kids make mistakes.
30 seconds.
So she decided that instead of shutting her away from it all, she was going to teach her how to do this responsibly.
So, 3 taps?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Well, I suppose Antarctica can have global warming.